Two points siya, 2 points.
2 points by Black.
2 points siya.
Thank you, ano.
Kulang pa, kulang. Kulang pa.
Good.
Foul ba? Foul? Foul. 13 foul. Last possession before change.
Sinadya yun ah.
Taking 3. Foul. Change forward. 3 points by Deose. 15-11. 4-point lead by Team Deose.
Boss B, okay ka lang, boss?
To take. Pass to Mikey. Mongol.
Foul!
By Benoy.
Lumalakas pag natatamaan sa mukha.
15-13. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
5.
5 seconds to shoot. Good ball. Wala pa. First personal foul.
Ulit
The
po.
set po, the set. Di ba nag-change? First personal foul. Wala. Rebound by Mikey. Pass to left.
4 minutes, exacto.
15-13. 2-point lead by Team Deose. Pass to take. Pass to Mikey. Pass to Lex again. Wala. Rebound by Mikey. Bumakalda kahit walang kalaban. Wala pa rin. 2 points by Mikey.
Kain na kain ah.
All 15. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. All 15. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
40 pesos ko dyan. Puta, masama sa pera ni
5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Good ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Taking 2. Wala. Foul.
3 on 3.
First team foul. $15 seconds. 2 points by Mikey. Change favor. 17-15. Good ball. Foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Magkabigay. Taking 3. Rebound by Beno. Pass to Tank. Pass to Mikey. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Pass to Deose. Last 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 foul. May foul content na po yan, mga sir. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul ulit. Foul. Warning for penalty. Good ball. Rebound by number 8. Pass to Deose. Taking 2 points. 2 points by Deose. All 17. 19-17. 2-point lead by Team Beno. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Good. Pass to Benoy. 1 minute last. 1 minute. Nice make by Idol. Rebound by Elite. 45 seconds remaining. Taking 2 points. All 19. 40 seconds. 2 points. 21-19. Last 30 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Good, good. Good, good, good. 23-19. Shot clock off. 10 seconds remaining. Sila, kabila naman, kabila. 5 seconds. 2 points.